Hi guys, we're gonna unbox the Silk Flash and Go hair removal system. This one I got from Amazon, and this is good for 5,000 pulses, and then you can buy the refill cartridges online as well. So really quick, just to remove this cover, and this is the box that it comes in. Open this up. You see product warranty and instruction manual on a CD-ROM, and this box here has a wall charger. This is, I believe, a 220 conversion if you're overseas in EU or even UK. Alright, and this is the actual unit. It's underneath the cover. Pick it out. It's quite hefty. Build quality is alright, and that's where the laser's gonna get beamed from. It's quite big as far as this compared to the others that I saw online. This one actually measures about 3 centimeters. So I'll try to do a before and after of this. You can increase intensity with the plus and minus, and the power switch. I haven't really charged it yet, so I'll probably do a video update on this.